This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Gemini's language. First, open your Gemini application or navigate to the Gemini website. Look for the settings icon, often represented by a gear, usually found in the top right or bottom left corner of your screen. Click on this icon to access your personal settings. Once inside, find the language option, which is typically under a general or account section. This is your first step towards a more personalized experience. After selecting your desired language from the drop-down menu, take a moment to review your choice. It is important to ensure you have picked the correct one. Once confirmed, click the Save or Apply button, which is usually located at the bottom of the settings page. For the changes to fully take effect across the entire interface, you might need to refresh your browser or restart the Gemini application. This ensures all elements update correctly. If you find that the language hasn't updated as expected, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, as old data can sometimes interfere. Second, verify that your device's operating system language settings are not overriding Gemini's. Lastly, ensure your Gemini application is updated to its latest version, as updates often include bug fixes and improved language support. These steps resolve most common issues. Changing Gemini's language offers several significant benefits. You will experience a more personalized and intuitive interface, making navigation and interaction much smoother. Using your preferred language can greatly improve your comprehension of information and enhance your overall efficiency. Furthermore, some features or content might be specifically tailored to certain languages, allowing you to explore a broader range of what Gemini has to offer. It truly customizes your digital assistant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.